Hello everyone, my name is Serge. Today I'm gonna do my second assignment in Selenium. I have a different scenario to be tested today. Basically, I have to check if the user can sign into the TechFiles website, and then over here under customer, if we can just click on add customer and fill out different information in these fields and be able to save it. And at the end, I'm gonna have to come over here to the list of customer and check whether all the information that the customer entered are well saved into the system. So to do that, I have created my code over here that I'm gonna use to automate that. And I have a class that I named add customer, and I have also different method under my class, but before that I'm gonna show you over here I stored my web element using the by class, and this web element are gonna help me to pass my input into this different fields. And over here I have my login data, which is basically the username and password. And over here I have also my test data, which are all different input I'm going to pass into the field. My first class over here is have a before class annotation, which is basically it has to be done before I initialize my Chrome driver. So this method is going to help us to read the property files, which is over here, in which I saved my browser and the URL of my website. So after that, I'm gonna have another method that is gonna basically help me to initialize my Chrome website, my Chrome driver. I mean, and the other method, I have two test methods. The first one is about the login test. It's gonna help me to pass the username and password and sign in. And this line of code is just a validation to make sure that I'm on the right page after signing in. My second test method is about just doing different operations, like filling in the different inputs, or in case I have to scroll down and make a selection of an input, or if I have to click on something. This method is going to help me to do all those operations. I want to just mention something about some input that have to stay unique every time I run my code, and especially the full name and the phone number and email address. For that to happen, I created this variable that is gonna help me to generate a random number that I have to add to the full name, to the phone number, and the email, so that all those fields stays unique every time I run my code. So let's go ahead and run it and see if it's working properly. So this is the login, and it's gonna go to the second method. filling in all the information over here, and then going to the list of customer. As you can see, my customer have been added successfully. So that's all I got for you today. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.